Chip maker Nvidia has announced a $100 billion investment into ChatGPT maker OpenAI overnight in a bid to deploy AI data centers to train and run OpenAI's next-gen infra. As part of the circular arrangement, OpenAI will use the investment to help pay for new chips produced by Nvidia. Here's a report.
Nvidia plans to invest $100 billion into ChatGPT maker OpenAI and supply it with data center chips. The companies announced the move Monday, marking a tie-up between two leaders in artificial intelligence. A source close to OpenAI says the deal will involve two separate but intertwined transactions. Nvidia will invest in OpenAI for non-controlling shares, and the startup can then use the cash to buy chips from Nvidia. The chipmaker will invest an initial $10 billion and then start delivering hardware as soon as late 2026. On Monday, the two companies signed a letter of intent to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of Nvidia systems for OpenAI. They aim to finalize partnership details in the coming weeks. Nvidia shares closed around 4% higher after the announcement. OpenAI has been working to build its own AI chips as a cheaper alternative to Nvidia, but a person familiar with the matter said its deal with Nvidia doesn't change those plans or its partnership with Microsoft, which has invested billions in OpenAI since 2019. Nvidia's investment comes days after it committed $5 billion to struggling chipmaker Intel. Analysts say the scale of the new OpenAI deal means it could attract the attention of regulators, though the Trump administration has so far taken a relatively hands-off approach to competition concerns.
And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Business 360. News and updates continue right here on CNBC-TV18.